Title: Schengen Visa Process for Indians Traveling to Europe. Subtitle: Step-by-Step Guide to Required Documents. Introduction. Begin with a brief overview of the Schengen Visa, explaining its importance for seamless travel across multiple European countries. Highlight the benefits of proper documentation and preparation to avoid delays or rejections. Main content. Break down the required documents into clear sections, adding context and corrections where necessary. VFS Global Appointment. Explain the process of booking an appointment through the VFS Global website or center. Mention the importance of scheduling well in advance due to high demand. Bank statement, 3 to 6 months. Specify that the statement should reflect consistent transactions and financial stability. Ensure it is stamped and signed by the bank. Minimum bank balance, 2 Indian rupees. 5 to 3 Indian rupees locks. Clarify that this amount should cover estimated travel expenses, including accommodation, food, and transportation. Form 16, optional. Include this if applicable, as proof of income for salaried individuals. Self-employed applicants may provide business registration documents instead. Income tax returns, ITR. Highlight the need for the last 2 to 3 years of ITR as proof of financial stability. Leave permission mail. Explain that this is a letter from the employer granting leave for the travel period. Leave approval mail for visa. Add that this document should explicitly mention the purpose of travel and the dates. Flight tickets. Clarify that only reservation or itinerary is required, not actual tickets. Mention that this helps demonstrate intent to return. Hotel booking. Include confirmed bookings or invitation letters from hosts in Europe. Stress the importance of matching the itinerary. Passport, valid for 6 months. Ensure the passport has at least 2 blank pages for visa stamps. Mention the need for copies of previous visas, if applicable. Cover letter, provide T.